IKEA is not located near where we live. We have to travel for around 2 hours to get to IKEA. So we live in Cleveland and IKEA is in Pittsburgh. So today we are we're traveling for 2 hours and going to IKEA. We want to buy a few things. So one of the main thing that we wanted to buy today was table, because currently we are hijacking our dining table as office table, since my husband is also working from home and he has two like laptops, or like a PC and a laptop, and I have a laptop, and we don't have a dining space currently. So we thought we'll buy, since places have been opening up recently, we thought we'll go to IKEA and we'll buy a table specifically for work, so that the dining table will be free. So that is one thing that we are going to be looking to buy today from IKEA. And the other thing is chair. So since we are using the dining table, we are also using the chair that comes along with it, and it is kind of difficult because it's giving us back pain. So we're going to buy a table and a chair. Like, we're going to look to buy, not sure if we'll get it, because some of the items in the website were out of stock in the location that we are going to, and we'll have to see if we get both of these. Other than that, we're just going to look around. It's been a while since we went to IKEA. I've only gone to IKEA once since I came to the US, and it's been 2 years since then. So we're just going to look around IKEA and see if we find something else that will look good in our house. So that's what we're going to do. We're on the way right now. Still have an hour or something to reach. Yeah, even Google Maps is still on. So I'll reach there, and then I'll show you guys around inside IKEA. I hope I can film there. But anyways, I'm not sure if I'll be able to talk inside there, because we are anyway going to be wearing masks and all that. So I'll show you around, and I'll probably have a voiceover. So let's go. So, I'll quickly tell you about the store setup. The store is basically divided into two sections. One is the showroom, which is on the top level, and the other one is the marketplace, located in the lower level. So the showroom is where we go to check out all the items they have for sale. So this place literally is a maze, because there's only one entrance from which you move around a maze-like setup. So all the furniture, home goods, and any kind of accessory for your home, you'll find it in there. They have models set up for all the rooms in a house or for an office or commercial space. So one side has model bedrooms, living room, kitchen, bathroom, kids room, study room, and office room kind of setups. And the other side has all the other similar products that we might want to decorate our house with. For example, they'll have a lot of options for sofas, for dining tables, for chairs, benches if you want some furniture on your balcony or on your patio. So things like that you can find on both sides of the maze. This is what I was talking about. So this side has a lot of options for couches, sofas, or love seats, things that you can put in a living room. And the other side of this has another model living room space that if you want, you can buy similar ones, or you can choose from the ones that they have on the left side. Also, since everything here is either do it yourself or fix it yourself, they have the name of the item along with the details of where you can find it. Like you can see in this picture, there's a number below. It says contact an employee of the store to find this item, or we can use that number and find it in the warehouse, which is in the same level as the marketplace. So we must either note down or take pictures of the tag of the item, like I've done here, and we have to go to the self-serve warehouse by ourselves to find out in which aisle or which level it is. So that's how you get the item that you want after you figure out what you want to purchase. Guys, so I just wanted to quickly update on what we purchased from IKEA. And it's been around 10 days since we went there, and we actually couldn't find the table that we were looking for. We found it, but a few of we only found the top part of the table, and the bottom legs were not in stock. So we didn't buy the table there, we only bought a chair. Anyways, we were still looking for it on the website. We thought maybe they might come back in stock, but it didn't. It wasn't there in the website. We couldn't find it. So we went ahead. We went to Costco. It's a wholesale store here in the US. So we went there to check if there are any tables available, because we found a few. About a month ago, we found a few that were on sale, so we thought, why not check there? So we went there and we checked, and we actually found one. It's actually a multi-purpose table. Like, you can use it indoors, outdoors, if you're going on a picnic or something. It's just foldable, and you can, when you're not using it, you can just place it on the side of the room, and it'll be perfect. So we found the table and we bought it. So now we have both the table and the chair. The table, we don't really have to do it yourself or fix it or something, because it's just foldable, so it's quick to assemble. But the chair, we need to assemble it. Currently, this is our dining table, and this is the setup that's been going on for 4-5 months now. So we don't want this, and we want this area to be free, and we are going to set it up in our bedroom, because that is the only place where we have some space, and it won't look that congested. So this will go. We're going to fix the chair now, and then I'll show you how it looks. So let's go. all set up, and my husband has already started working, and this place is almost clear. Now I just have to clean it, and I just have my laptop here, but that's okay because I can move my laptop anytime I want, and it'll be comfortable for us to use this as a dining table as well now. So all is good, and if you liked today's video, give a thumbs up to this video and definitely subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want to check out my other videos, click the link in the description and check all my other videos out. I'll be posting more videos soon. So I'll see you all again later. Take care and bye.